Hey Mark, quick demo video for you for your Spider-Man Vestige coming at you from my garage today because my wife is using the office. But anyway, got it all done. Got your RBG switch here in the front with the spider web kind of centered around the switch. And then you can see your etch. For whatever reason, if you got to catch the light just right, but if there's a little bit of shadow, man, that etch just really pops out. Wrapped it around, stayed on the front actually with the webs and the spider, but only wrapped around the belt part that you wanted. And then with this different spider on the back that you wanted there. We did do a little hidden auxiliary switch right here. You can see about how far it sticks out, not very much. Very easy to press though, and not very noticeable. So when you have your Shtok NPXLs in there. So when you open this guy up, you're going to notice it's very tight. This entire build was very tight because of the auxiliary switch actually. This is a tactile switch that I actually JB welded to the inside wall of this guy because you didn't like the one that we used last time because it was too recessed. So I JB welded on here. This RGB switch is actually huge. I mean, it takes up more than 3/4 of the diameter of the inside of this guy right here. So I had just enough room to run this guy, and they just come together. It's a wall right there. But here's your board. It does stick up slightly. Get your card in and out right here without taking the chassis in or out. 28mm Smuggler's Outpost bass speaker. Removable battery. We've got a battery right here. I know you like to put your own fonts and everything on here, so all I did was put it on a NeoPixel config, and then I put the Samurai font on here from last time. Just like that. Because this one has your LED files. So you'll notice when you're going in here, it's a tight fit, but it does fit. So just go ahead and go with it. Not scraping up against anything or hurting anything. And just try to utilize all the room that I had. Just like that. Auxiliary. And of course I got a test blade right here we'll throw in. So that set screw right there is holding your PCB holder. And then that one will be your blade retention. I'm not going to use it for this, but that's what it's there for. Everything's working really good. Nice shine through on your windows.
Blade profiles.
All the profiles are working good. That was pretty cool. So everything's working good, man. Hope it came out the way you like. I got to go get some tape, but I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow morning. Thanks.